Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. This is what it's going to look like when it's solved. White is going to be opposite of yellow, and orange is opposite of red, and green is opposite of blue. So this is going to be the bottom most times. So the first algorithm you need to know before you do anything is the right algorithm and the left algorithm. Right is where you go up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. As you get faster, it's just this. Left algorithm is the exact same thing, just the opposite. So up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, and so on and so on. These will be very helpful when we get into solving it and when we doing the steps. So the first step that you need to do is find the yellow center. Yellow center right here. We want to make a daisy, which a daisy has a yellow center, a white petal, a white petal, a white petal, and a white petal. We want to make all these middles right here white. Doesn't matter the colors on the sides or here. You just need white, 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 white. If you come to a case where there's 3 right here and there's 1 on the side, you're like, well, if I do this, it's not going to work. What I recommend you do: 2, front face, F, 2. Then you turn to the side, right, and then now you have the daisy. The next step from the daisy is making sure these two colors line up. See, you see how these two do not line up? You want to turn this as many times until you get those to line up. So you got these two to line up right here, and these two. So you just turn twice down, and then right here, you just make it so it lines up, twice down, then make sure it lines up, twice down. Now you have the white cross plus these two right here. Now you want to get the edges, the corners. You're going to find a corner that has white on it up top. First I do the top layer. So first we have red, blue, and white. You want to get it in between red and the blue and the red. Because if it's here, it's not going to be right because it's in between orange and blue. We need it between blue and red because those are where the colors on here stay. So you're going to do the right algorithm, right algorithm. See how it's already solved? We can just skip the past 2 steps. Now we have that corner there. Now we need to find another corner. Here's a corner here. We need it between orange and green. There. Now it's in between orange and green. You do the right algorithm until it's solved. Same here. Right there. And there. Now we have the first layer done, and the white side. Also the first layer. Next is the second layer. So we have the first layer done. We just need these to be right. So first, you want to find these two, a middle on top, the first layer, the middle, that has no yellow. So we have red and green. There's no yellow on that. So we're going to make sure these two line up. And it does not need to go here because this is orange and green. It's green and red. So it needs to go here. This one needs to go here. So first what you're going to do is going to go the opposite way. That needs to go. Highlight it. And go the opposite way again. then go down, then go the left, and then you're going to turn it 90 degrees, I think 90 degrees. And you're going to go up, right, left, down. Then the piece that was right there has now moved here. You can do the exact same thing here. Green and orange. You're going to go the opposite way. It needs to go up, opposite way, down, to the right, 90 degrees, up, down. You're going to do that for the next two. And if you need to, you can always rewrite. Once you get the middle layer done and the bottom layer, it should look somewhat like this. Not this up here, but these down here. So with here, this is one of the three cases. So one of the cases is this case, where it's like one here, one here, one here, and one here. Then you're going to find this right here. I call it the little opening right here. You're going to go up like this with one. You can do the left algorithm. And now it should be a line. You put it down. Then this is the third thing, where you have in a straight line. Then you can just go from any side that's easier to you. Go up, and you do the right algorithm. Then you go back down. You solved the yellow cross. Next is make sure these two line up. So you just turn this to as many times as you can until as many line up. So right here, we have two right here. So we're going to cup those in both hands. If there is one solved here and one solved here, then you can just hold it anywhere. It has to be in line. Or it can be like this, just really anywhere. But if you have two that are the side like this, you cuff it in your hand like this. Then you do this algorithm. Up, this, down, this, up, down. Then you turn to see if you got any right. If before you got the two centers right here, now you should have one here and one there. And then you do the same thing I just did, and you should get something like this. Now we have just the corners. First, you want to find a corner that's already solved. This one's not solved. Sometimes there might not be any solved, but this one's not solved, this one's not solved, this one's not solved, and this one's not solved. So we're just going to start in random ones. Let's say this one. So we're going to go right first. So say this was the solved one, then it'd be on the right front and the right hand side. So you'd go left, up, right, other side up, and then here, down. Now you're going to see if you have any correct. This one, you're either going to have one or all of them right. So we have one, but this one isn't right, so we have none of them right except this one. So we have the solved one right here. Go left, up, to the other side, up, down, and down. Now we should have all the corners solved. Next is solving the final edges. So you're going to go, there's many cases. There's these three cases, but there never is going to be one unless the scrambler or the one who scrambled it corner flipped, which is illegal in competitions. So it's either going to be this, where they're all flipped in totally different directions. One's flipped that one, and then that's the only case with the three. If there's two, there's either going to be a yellow facing this way and a yellow facing this way, or there's going to be a yellow facing this way and a yellow facing this way. If you got this, you're going to go on the one with two, and you're going to have that on your right-hand side. You're going to go left up, the same algorithm we did, But you're going to do that on both sides. So now we have that one solved. Now we have two. These two are on the outside. So we go up, to the side, up, right, down. Now we have the final one, where if you have one like this, you just have to do that once. If you have one where they're on the side like this, twice. If you have one where I did up front, like where the three times. But see, now I have it here and here. So now you should have it only once. So we're gonna go. But the first one you do is the side that's already solved. So this one's already solved, so you're gonna go up. Down. And then up. You have officially solved your first Rubik's Cube. Hope this helped, and hopefully this had more of a clear direction from a beginner to another, from a new cuber to another new cuber. Bye guys!